Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to the Dynamics in Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be talking about how much can you make from Zazzle, because I think that most of the common question regarding the Zazzle right now I'm seeing in my comment section is this particular thing: how much can I expect to make on Zazzle? And is it really possible to make a good amount of money on Zazzle or not? Is it a hobby income or is it a full-time income? What you can expect from a Zazzle? So I'm going to be diving into some of the parameters in this video regarding making money online with a Zazzle and how much you can make it. What are the possibilities and all those things in this. So let's dive into today's video. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can simply click on the link, you can download it. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now we have put on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send exclusive content regarding making money online each and every week in your email inbox. About the Zazzle. Now, I have made an entire playlist on my channel talking about the Zazzle, how to open up a shop, the different parameters, adding the collections and categories. A lot more is there in that Zazzle playlist. I'm going to leave the link of the Zazzle playlist in the card section above. If you haven't checked it so far, please make sure you check it out because it will really going to help you setting your shop and starting with the shop and opening adding the products, and a lot more stuff is there. That I have made a Zazzle workbook to help you guys make money online, because being a pro seller in the Zazzle, I have came across a few parameters, few things, few steps that can help you have a successful shop on a Zazzle. So I'm going to leave that workbook link in the description box below. You can very well click on that link and you can get the workbook, because that workbook will going to walk you from step by step, starting from your shop, setting the goals, starting with the mindset practices, and opening up a shop, focusing on the shop customization, collections, categories, uploading the product, niche research, product research, keyword research, Zazzle SEO, shop review, shop management. Then we were going to move further into the money mindset, because we need to have the money mindset to actually get the money, to actually make the sales in a Zazzle shop. And then also we are talking about the promotion overview, how you can promote on the various different social media platforms to make money via the Zazzle. The entire separate section is dedicated to promotion, to promoting and marketing. And then the next thing is the analysis and report, looking at the analysis and report, how much you're making the sales, what are the best selling product, how you can provide the good customer service, because there is a message section on the Zazzle and the designers do get the messages. I do get a message oftentimes and I do reply to them and help my customer to make a purchase. So there are so much there in the workbook. I'm going to leave the link of that workbook in the description box below. Make sure you check it out and you get your workbook copy to help you set yourself up for a successful Zazzle shop. You can make from Zazzle. Now make from few $100s or maybe a few bucks a month to making thousands of dollars each month on Zazzle shop. It varies a lot with what you're doing with your Zazzle shop, what your mindset, what your goals, and what you're setting yourself up for the Zazzle shop. If you're thinking that you just need to make a hobby income, then obviously you're gonna make a hobby income. But if you are targeting towards making a full-time income, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 each month into your Zazzle shop, then definitely you're gonna make a full-time income. So this varies a lot, depends on what you're doing to the platform. So how much you can really make on Zazzle is varies a lot depending on you. You can make a few bucks, $25 or $5 a month, ranging to thousands of dollars each month on the Zazzle shop. There are so many designers on Zazzle have made six-figure income a year. They have made a six-figure income each year. I'm talking about the royalty profit, guys. I'm not talking about the revenue. I'm talking about the royalty profit that goes in your bank account, that goes into your pocket. So I'm talking about that. So it's possible to make a full-time income from Zazzle. You're gonna be rich overnight. You're not gonna be rich in a month. If you're starting a shop in December, it will definitely going to take some time to get the consistent sales, to get the sales each and every month, to make a good amount of money from the Zazzle shop. It's not an overnight rich money making scheme, but you can, if you are really consistent with that, you're putting the time and effort and dedication, promoting and doing all those stuff. So you will do all those things, that you can make really a good time income from Zazzle. You can make a full-time income from Zazzle later on down the road. So this is the thing, this is the answer to my question, how much you can make from the Zazzle. Now, what you need to do to make a full-time income. Now, I'm almost reaching $2,000 in royalty profit across all my shops in December. Now, if you don't know so far, I have started with my Zazzle's check-in shop. The first shop is no more. I didn't make much money on that. I'm just counting the money that I make from my second shop, and then after I started with the more shop on Zazzle, so I started back in the late May. You can call it as a June. From June to December till now, I am almost about to reach $2,000 in royalty profit across all my Zazzle's shop. And still I'm counting more, because the more product I'm uploading, the more promotion marketing I'm doing, the more things I'm incorporating in my shop, I'm making the more money. I'm already pro salon and Zazzle. I'm going to reach to a bronze soon. That you could do to differently to make a full-time income from Zazzle's shop. What you could do? First of all, you need to set yourself up for a niche. That is really important. What kind of niche you want to target? Go on a Zazzle, do your research and see what's popular. There are so many different varieties of niches: the wedding niche, the birthday niches, the occasion niches, the seasonal niches, or there are the evergreen niches that you can target. And after picking up the niche, after looking at the products, what kind of products are selling, you can also check the bestseller section on the Zazzle to do your research. I have already made a video talking about how to see the bestsellers products on Zazzle. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out. You can see the bestseller product on the Zazzle, what are selling best, what the niches, and then you can have a paper and a pencil or even your spreadsheet and can note it down all the niches and product ideas, and then start with your shop. Do the branding, have a proper a shop avatar, shop banner, the tagline, add your social media link. Also optimize your designer portfolio. Like your designer portfolio looks like a profile picture, the bio or the links you have anyone or anything you want to write in the bio about your story and all those things. And then you can start uploading the products and in that particular niche and category. You can start making the collections and categories and putting your products into that collections and categories, which is really important. You can't miss out. If you're having thousands of designs on your shop or thousands of products in your shop, it would be very difficult for your customer to actually blend into this product which they want to. So you need to have a collections and categories to help them navigate through your shop regarding your particular shop branding according to your ideal client avatar. Of course, I'm not a huge believer of the seasonal products, but I do target a seasonal product from time to time. Like I have targeted the Halloween niches, the Christmas niches, and then I'm targeting the New Year niches, also prepping for the Valentine. Because once this Christmas season over, the people will going to start purchasing for the Valentine from the January and in the starting of the February. So you need to prep for that. Then the St. Patrick's Day. Then also the Easter would be coming in the April. So you need to prep for your shop if you're going with the seasonal products. I do have a balance between the seasonal product and the evergreen product, because I think that the seasonal product can get you more sales when that season or occasion is there, and evergreen product can get you sales all throughout the year. So you need to have a correct balance in your shop to get the consistent income each and every month in your bank account. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, I'm recently working on a content calendar that the entire 2022 in general, I'm making a content calendar for an entire year. What are the different holidays, events, occasions that are coming throughout the year in various different countries, basically the United States, Canada, Australia, European and UK, because these are the major markets where you can make money from your Zazzle shop. Of course, you can make the money from in the Brazilian domain as well, in the Japan domain as well, but these are the main shops. So I'm making a content calendar for that so that I can prep my own shop for the entire year. And if you want that content calendar, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make one content calendar for you guys as well, which you can download and you can prep your shop according to it, because we need to prep our shop for the 2022. 2021 it's about to end soon, and we want to have a fresh start for 2022 to get started with that as well. So these are the some parameters you can do. Now you can't miss out the promotion. I talk a lot about the Pinterest promotion. I'm going to leave some of the videos in the card section above. If you're really new to the Pinterest promotion and you don't know how to do a one, that video will really going to help you. You can get started with the idea pins, or video pins, or picture pins, and you can start promoting your Zazzle shop on a Pinterest. Pinterest is a great search engine, great platform for doing promotion. You can also do in the Facebook groups if the Facebook groups allow you to do so. The Instagram, the YouTube, the TikTok, the Twitter, the LinkedIn, whatever social media platform you can pick up and you can start promoting that. Pinterest is one of my favorite, and then after that I do start with the YouTube shorts. If you want to give it a shot, you can start with the YouTube shorts and promoting your products in that as well, but it depends, varies on a lot. You can also do with the Instagram reels, promoting your products, make the short video, short vertical video and promoting in the Instagram, and then you can actually use that video and repurpose that video for the Pinterest idea pins or the YouTube shorts and doing all those kind of promotion. Then also you need a proper analysis and report how much you are making, what are your best selling products, what are your royalty profit. You really need to look into the royalty profit. Zazzle tell the designer to keep their royalty profit in between the 10 and 15%. So you can have your royalty profit in between that range to not be that competitive in the marketplace, and also to really make money. Because if your royalty profit is too less, 5%, then obviously you're gonna make less money. If you're having a 10%, you're gonna make double the royalty profit in comparison to the 5%. It makes sense. So you need to have your product set according to it. A proper overview, shop overview from month to month, from week to week, and there are so much more, guys. These are some steps that you can incorporate to make a full-time income from your Zazzle shop. Of course, I can go each and every topic in depth and dedicating a separate video for that. Do let me know if you want that kind of stuff in the comment section below. But guys, recently I've been working on the content calendar. I'm done with the Zazzle workbook. If you want the Zazzle workbook step by step, taking you what you need to do with your shop, I highly recommend my Zazzle workbook. The link is in description box below. You can download it, you can grab that copy. The link is in description box below. I'm working on the content calendar. I'm gonna be letting you know more soon, in the late of December, which you can get the content calendar, because that will really going to help you setting up yourself for the successful Zazzle shop, for successful print on demand shop, or any e-commerce business you have. That question in this video talking about how much you can make from the Zazzle. It depends on your mindset, it depends on your goal setting. If you're just looking for hobby type income, then you're gonna make a hobby type income. If you're looking for a full-time income, then you can make a one. You can make money on Zazzle starting from $10 or $5 a month to $1,000+ a month on Zazzle. So there is a huge range. It depends on what you're doing with your shop and all those things. Hopefully this video will going to help you. Do let me know your views and thoughts regarding your own Zazzle shop in the comment section below. If you have any further doubt regarding your Zazzle shop, or you need any help, do let me know. I really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.